Right, so yes, I've got myself another Honda C90, another Honda Super Cub. This one is, yes, in blue. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the video footage of us going to go pick it up, so this is how it happened. So one evening I was looking or perusing on Facebook, looking for just whatever in the C90 buy and sell, and saw, just so happens, a Honda C90 for sale, local-ish to me. So I set about messaging all my friends to see who would quickly come and take me to that location so I could purchase this Honda C90 at the full asking price, because that's the kind of guy I am. No haggle, just I wanted it, I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. I go, I have space in my garage, I want this bike, I need this bike. If I don't have this bike, I'll be very upset. Messaged the seller and he agreed to meet, and off we went to go have a look at the bike. I took James along with me, or he took him with me, or me with him, and we went in his Range Rover to have a look at the bike, and it being the evening and the sun going down quite early, we decided I didn't really fancy to ride the bike back. I don't know the bike, and I'm sure the C90 would have made it, but it's dark and 70 miles on the C90, yeah, not pleasant. So took the leg shield off, drained the petrol out, and put the back seats down in the Range Rover and slotted the C90 in the back. Job done. Took James for a drink and a meal to pay for his services, shall we say, and then a few hours later arrived home with another motorbike. Much to my family's disappointment, when I posted a picture of me and James picking up a C90 and placed it in the back of his Range Rover, my family were most unimpressed with me spending more money on yet another motorbike. And my auntie was especially upset that we had put a dirty motorbike inside a Range Rover with leather cream interior. She was not impressed. Anyway, back on the video. It looks like I'm about to say something very important.
Go, dual carriageway, 50 miles an hour. Let's see how fast this bike can quick and go. Don't go tight. Look at that, 40 miles an hour. Yeah. No faster than 45 at the moment. Wait until I've drilled up the airbox and no, actually what I'm going to do is like stop. This one made up. I think my bike's on. I think it's still on. Ugh. I think I'll do a walk around after breakfast. Breakfast first. Most important meal of the day. So this is my new bike, the Beast, the Honda C90. It's got all the mod cons. It's got front wheel, rear wheel, chain, sprocket, original leg shield. So yeah, that's all right. It's pretty tidy. It runs really smooth, much smoother than the other one. Not as much oomph as the other one's got. Someone painted the exhaust black, so I need to, I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Probably needs to be replaced. It's pretty stock and I want to try and keep it stock. It's actually got all the leg shield bits. It's got coming up to 49,000, so still at the start of its life, so it's got plenty of life left in it, I hope. Yeah, it's got loads of compression. It starts up really well as well. I'll just give it a quick kick. Hang on. There we go. You can hear it. Yeah, sick. Apart from a couple of tears in the seat and it being very old or stock or whatever or thing, it's a nice little addition to my C90 collection. Anyway, so that's my new bike. Another C90. Oh, it's the only one actually that I've seen, like, I don't know if it's maybe just my area and London and all that. That's down there is a steering lock, and I have never seen, and that works still, and I've never seen a C90 with a working steering lock. Usually they don't work or they've been broken. But yeah, that's it. Off-roading. Can it do it? Not quite.